Hello, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you step by step on how you can log into a multiple email account on your laptop. If you have a multiple or more than one email and you want to log into all the email in one browser, this video is for you. All you have to do is to watch this video till the end. Do not skip any part of this video so that you will not miss any important part. Without further ado, let's get started. Go to your browser, then type gmail.com. If you want to log in into Yahoo Mail, type yahoomail.com. Alright, so for this tutorial, I'll be using Gmail. I'll be logging into another Gmail on my PC. Alright, gmail.com, enter. Alright, I've logged into my Gmail account. So for me to log in into another email account, you click right here. Okay, then you come to where you have add another account. Okay, click on it. Here you enter the email account that you want to add. All right, once you are done, click on next. Then enter your password. Then click on next. Alright, we have successfully logged into another email account. Okay, so for you to confirm it, you click right here. Okay, as you can see, this is one account, this is the second account. Okay, so if you have 5 email accounts or 10 Gmail accounts, you can log in all your email account in one browser. Okay, all we have to do is to click on add another account. Then once you are done, you come back again, you click on add another account until you have successfully added all your email accounts. This is how you can add multiple Gmail account to your PC. Okay, you can repeat this process as many times as possible. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.